Singapore. Nandito kami sa Changi. Changi ba? Changi Airport. 10 AM pala. And yung check-in namin sa hotel, mga 3 PM pa. Kaya, iniwan muna namin yung baggage namin sa baggage storage dito sa Jewel. Bakit wala yung water? Dito kami sa may ayan. Pero walang water. Bakit walang water? Dito kami para sa Taylor Swift concert and segue din kami sa Universal Studios and kung saan-saan. So, wala pala siyang tubig kasi may schedule yung rain vortex. Yan. And we have 30 minutes to wait para sa rain vortex. Ito pala yung baggage storage dito sa Jewel. Katapat lang niya yung rain vortex.
Fill me up with your touch, feel your breath in my lungs to you. I love the taste of your tongue, got a taste of your love, and I want you. And it goes way beyond the chemistry, the kind of friend that I can never have platonically. And they don't know about what's going on behind the scenes, but they don't need to swear I'll keep it between you and me. What we're doing, yeah. What we're doing, yeah.
Oo. Hi! Nandito na kami sa aming tawag dito hotel, Fragrance Hotel dito sa Balestier. I'll give you a quick room tour. Budget hotel lang to kasi mahirap mag-book ng hotel ngayong Taylor Swift concert dito sa Singapore na mura. So, dito kami magsistay. 30 minutes away from Changi Airport. So, room tour. Yan. Pagpasok, yan na yun. This is good for 2 to 3 packs. May bed dyan. May bed din doon. Hello. Hello. Coffee, water, electric kettle. Tapos, ito yung bathroom. Hindi ko bet. Kasi meron siyang may mga mold na siya. So, magkano binayaran natin dito?
For 3 days na to. 450.
Yun na yun, guys. So, magsistay kami dito ng 3 nights, 4 days. Tapos, ang grand total namin ay $450 US. Freshen up kami and pipila kami for merch mamaya. So, bye! Hi! Time check, 4:48 PM. Punta kaming Riverside Stadium Riverside Walk para mag-check kung may merch ni Taylor Swift para hindi na kami pumila sa mismong concert. So, we're waiting sa Grab. Magka-Grab na lang kami dahil di kami marunong mag-commute, MRT. Dito yung front ng hotel namin.
Wala po siyang 0.5 na exam.
Yan yung hotel.
Ayaw ka na lang. Yes.
We're here sa Stadium, Kalang Wave Mall. We are going to try to purchase some merch. Pero ang haba ng pila.
Oh, bakit mga nakasimangot kayo dyan?
Aba?
I was replying to the message. I was not think of it.
Good morning! Day 2 here in Singapore and pupunta kami ngayon sa Universal Studios. So, nag-purchase kami ng Unlimited Express na pass
49.
para masulit namin. Share lang namin. So, yung transportation, nag-grab lang kami. Tapos ngayon, itatry namin mag-public transport. Yung bus tsaka MRT papuntang Universal. Yung weather dito, super init. Mas mainit dito kaysa sa Pilipinas. Kaya yung mga outfitan namin, yung comfy lang. Lalo na at mag-Universal kami ngayon. So, t-shirt lang kami. Tsaka comfortable na shoes. Kasi madami kayong lalakarin. Diba?
Yes.
Yun.
Bukas pa.
Okay, see you!
What we're doing, what we're doing, is I do, just do what.
Nakakita kami ng McDonald's on the way sa my bus stop puntang Universal. Check namin kung anong benta nila.
Ano may rice?
Latte. Chicken coffee. So, nandito kami sa may Vivo City, papunta sanang Sentosa. Gagamitin sana namin tong tourist pass, pero hindi siya gumana. So, kailangan namin bumili ng ticket dito sa may ticketing station. Hello!
Kaya ko ba, girl?
Tatawa ako. sana kami dito sa Galactica. Pero, kumulog bigla. Umambon. Sinuspend nila yung yung outside attractions. Nakasakay na kami kanina, naka-seatbelt na and everything. Tapos, biglang in-announce na suspended na yung ride. It's okay kasi kesa naman naabutan kami ng ulan doon sa while it's moving. Sabihin ko lang sa inyo, binook namin yung ticket ng Universal Studios Singapore plus yung Unlimited Universal Express sa sa may Sentosa website. So I will link it below. Gusto nyo? Nagbayad kami ng mga $150 per head. Sulit naman kasi super bilis, di ba? Super express niya kasi mga 5 minutes ka lang nasa pila tapos doon ka na. Yung foods naman dito, may kamahalan. Kanina yung lunch namin, isang meal, mga 16 SGD, kaya mahal. But hindi ko alam kung pwedeng magdala ng food from outside. Pero wala kayong choice kundi dito kumain. Mag-wear kayo ng comfortable shoes. Yung damit, super init dito, kaya wear comfortable outfit. Kung may bags naman kayo, ang ginawa namin, di ba, 4 kami. Nagdala lang kami ng isang tote bag, tapos dun namin nilagay yung mga gamit namin. Tapos nag-rent lang kami ng locker. 15 SGD yung locker. So yun, may mga rides din pala na bawal yung mga nakachinelas, kaya pinapaiwan yung chinelas sa tabi. So, kung gusto nyong mag-shoes na lang para medyo convenient, go mag-shoes. Yun lang. Rainy Universal Studios Singapore. Buti na lang, nakapag-rides na kami. 6 PM na din.
Isang oras na lang.
So, sulit na yun for us.
Saka naulit-ulit na yung ibang tayo.
Lakas ng ulan. Okay, time check, 7 PM. Magko-close na tong Universal Studios. Kaya, alis na din kami. 7 PM na, pero super liwanag pa din. Now, we are going to Merlion Park. Hindi buo ang Singapore trip pag walang picture with the Merlion. And then, pupunta kaming Orchard Building para mag-shopping konti kasi may hinahanap kaming item. Tapos, after that, uuwi na kami dahil sobrang nakakapagod. So, see you tomorrow for the Taylor Swift concert.
I love the taste of your tongue, got a taste of your love now.
Hello! Nandito na kami sa Merlion Park. So, this is our view. Nakapagpalit na ako ng damit. Inagaw ko yung damit na extra ni Uno dahil super lagkit. Ang lagkit ng balat dito, guys, kasi super init. So, this is our view. Wow. Yan.
Don't need details, think I'll leave it at that. Yeah, but no, I'll keep replaying moments and scenes in my head. Yeah, I'm waking up tired, but you're next to me in the bed. We're not even getting no rest, and we ain't got time for that. And we ain't got patience. Clothes on the floor, room is messy, won't pick it up, I'm too lazy. Yeah, wanna stay here all day, cancel plans, friends say I'm changing up. But you know I change for you, and you know I'll keep it real quiet, no explaining what we're doing.
Morning! Last full day here in Singapore. And it's 9:20 AM. Pupunta kami sa Canyon? Whampoa Food Center. 3 minutes walk from our hotel. So, dun kami magbe-breakfast. And then, walang agenda ngayon. Magpre-prepare na kami for Taylor Swift concert. Wala akong boses.
Kakasigaw pa.
Gawa ng Universal Studios. kakasigaw sa mga rides. Saya, no? Saya-saya naman. Girl, masarap yan.
Sarap lang.
Sabi mo kasi mag-pork chop ako eh.
May pork din doon. Ay, meron. Sabi ko.
Sige na nga. Sige na.
Patigim nga niya.
So, we're here at Shaw Plaza. Malapit lang din siya sa kinainan namin kanina and sa hotel namin. So, dito muna kami para magpalamig kasi super init sa labas. And baka mag-coffee kami here.
Ano, yung nagkukulit natin ng si Coffee Bean ng mga
Kulay ng
bakla.
Hello! We're ready for the concert! We're here! At the stadium! It's still raining.
But the show.
Pila kami ng merch.
Mukha kaming ano, crush ka.
So much joy to say these words to you. Singapore, welcome to the Eras Tour! 62,000 people here in this room. And I'm just a little curious about a few things. Is there anyone here tonight who calls Singapore home? Alright, I'm a little bit curious about something else. Is there anyone here tonight who has traveled here from somewhere else to be in this Well, Singapore, I can't lie. You're making me feel excellent right now.
Eros tour is done. Super solid. Wala akong boses. Mag-Ed Sheeran pa kami tomorrow. Grabe, super. Ang ganda, di ba? Second time ko to, mag-Eros tour, but still the same. Still feels the same.